This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you a neat feature in Google Docs. It's a new feature. It's to add a drop-down menu to a doc. If this video helps, please take a moment to follow me and like it, and let's get going. Here is a press release that I have in Google Docs, and what I want to do is I want to add a drop-down here that will basically alert other editors to know whether or not the article is finished or it needs review or something else needs to happen. Here's how to do it. So place the cursor where you want the drop-down to appear, then go to Insert, Drop-Down. Select New Drop-Down, and then it will give you options to label it. So I'm going to call this Review Status. So the first one's going to be red. I'm going to type still in draft, or still being, I'll just call it draft copy. Then I'm going to have a yellow one saying needs review. And then the third one's going to be green, ready for publishing. Okay. The fourth one, I can just erase that. The other thing you can do is you can grab these drag dots here, and you can put, green on top, yellow in the middle, red at the bottom, and then click Save. So it's ready to go. So let's say I'm still drafting this. I can just put it in the red status. So if anybody else comes into this, or maybe I come into this press release 3 weeks from now, I forget what the status was, I'll see right away it says draft. So this is a really neat feature. I encourage you to try it out. It doesn't matter if you're using Google Chrome in a Mac or Windows or Chromebook. It will all work the same way. And if this video helped you out, if you could like it, I'd be very grateful. And also follow me. For more information on Google Drive and Google Docs, Sheets and Slides, I've written a book about it. It's available from in30minutes.com. You can check it out there. Also, don't forget to follow this channel. I have new tips every week. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.